Since the beginning of human history, water has been the lifeline of civilizations, but some natural phenomena challenge our understanding of Earth systems, one of the strangest being the sudden disappearance of lakes and rivers. All over the world, countless water bodies have either dried up, vanished overnight, or mysteriously retreated underground, leaving scientists and local communities in shock. One famous example is Lake Beloy in Russia, which disappeared within hours, leaving behind only a massive crater. Similarly, Lake Cache in Chile has mysteriously drained several times, vanishing in just a single day due to cracks that developed in the ice beneath it. These disappearances are not always slow processes caused by evaporation or drought. Sometimes, entire rivers and lakes are swallowed by sinkholes, earthquakes, or underground tunnels. For example, the Adiac River in Mexico once disappeared after a giant sinkhole opened beneath it, leaving a dry riverbed where water once flowed. Such cases puzzle geologists and raise questions about the fragility of our planet's crust. The rapid vanishing of these water sources also carries cultural and emotional impacts, since local populations often rely on them for fishing, farming, and drinking. In many ancient traditions, disappearing rivers were considered supernatural events linked to divine powers or hidden forces, showing how deeply humans have always connected mysteries of nature with myths and legends. Paragraph 2. Scientifically, disappearing lakes and rivers can be explained through geological activity, climate change, and environmental imbalances, but even these explanations are not always complete. For instance, in karst regions where the ground is made of soluble rocks like limestone, water can seep underground through natural cracks and caves, effectively draining an entire lake into subterranean systems. The famous Swan Lake in Michigan once lost nearly all of its water overnight in this way, baffling locals. Climate change adds another layer of mystery, as global warming accelerates glacier melting, which both creates new lakes and makes existing ones unstable. Glacial lakes in the Himalayas and Andes sometimes burst or vanish due to cracks in the ice or sudden drainage into underground channels, events that can trigger deadly floods downstream. Additionally, human activities such as deforestation, overextraction of groundwater, and large-scale construction can weaken Earth's surface and increase the chance of rivers and lakes disappearing. For example, in Iraq and Syria, entire river branches of the Tigris and Euphrates have dried up, not only due to climate but also dam construction and overuse. Beyond physical causes, there are also mysterious sounds, strange vibrations, and unexplained movements of water recorded in disappearing water bodies, making scientists wonder if there are yet undiscovered natural processes at play. Some researchers even suggest that the Earth's crust may have hidden fissures that occasionally open and close, like valves, draining and refilling water bodies unpredictably. Paragraph 3. The disappearance of lakes and rivers is not just a geological curiosity. It is a warning sign of the complex and delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. When water vanishes suddenly, it disrupts ecosystems, kills aquatic life, and forces human communities into crisis. Farmers lose irrigation, fishermen lose their livelihoods, and entire villages sometimes have to migrate. In regions already facing water scarcity, such as parts of Africa and the Middle East, the sudden loss of water bodies can spark conflict and migration. This phenomenon also poses a serious challenge for science. Can we predict when and where the next disappearing lake will occur? Satellite technology and ground sensors are now being used to monitor lakes, glaciers, and underground aquifers, giving us clues about sudden changes. Yet, mysteries remain. Why do some lakes return after years of disappearance, while others are lost forever? Why do rivers sometimes change course dramatically without clear causes? And could some of these vanishings be linked to larger Earth processes like tectonic shifts, magnetic anomalies, or even unexplored interactions between water and Earth's deep mantle? These questions keep disappearing lakes and rivers at the center of both scientific research and public imagination. Ultimately, these events remind us of the unpredictable power of nature, the hidden systems beneath our feet, and the urgent need to respect and preserve Earth's water resources before more vanish into mystery forever.